Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a wedding planner spreadsheet in Google Sheets with Claude AI. In this quick walkthrough, we'll use Claude to help generate the foundation for a wedding planner spreadsheet. This is a simple way to get organized faster, especially if you want a helpful starting point for tracking details like tasks, timelines, budgets, or guest planning in Google Sheets. To begin, open Claude in a new chat. Starting with a fresh conversation is useful because it keeps your request focused and makes it easier for the AI to generate a clean, relevant response. Once the new chat page is open, you're ready to tell Claude exactly what you want to create. In the message box, enter a sample prompt asking Claude to create a wedding planner spreadsheet. Keep your prompt clear and specific so the result is more useful. For example, you can ask for a wedding planner spreadsheet designed for Google Sheets and mention the kinds of sections you'd like included. The more direction you give, the better the draft can match your needs. If you want something simple, ask for a basic layout. If you want something more complete, you can request categories for budgeting, vendors, guest lists, schedules, and checklists. After typing your prompt, press Enter to send it. Claude will then generate a response based on your request. This response can give you a structure to copy into Google Sheets, helping you avoid starting from a blank page. If the first result isn't exactly what you want, you can refine your prompt and ask for adjustments. For example, you might request a more detailed version, a simpler version, or one focused on a specific part of wedding planning. A helpful tip is to think of Claude as a planning assistant. Clear instructions usually lead to clearer spreadsheet ideas. If you already know your wedding style, event size, or planning priorities, including that context can improve the output and make it more personalized. That's all it takes to get started. Open a new Claude chat, enter your wedding planner spreadsheet prompt, and send it. From there, you can use the generated content as the basis for your Google Sheets planner and continue refining it until it fits your event perfectly.